Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Karcher compatibility. Compatible only with Karcher Series K2 through K5 electric power pressure washers. Includes 2 to 16 extension wands and 2 sets of interchangeable nozzles. The Karcher Promise cleaner, quicker, delivers professional level cleaning over an area 10 inches wide with 2 spinning nozzles instead of 1, significantly reducing your cleaning time. The T300 also has a variable pressure dial. Multi-surface cleaner, perfect for cleaning large surfaces such as concrete, driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks and more. A drier cleaning experience. The T300 surface cleaner's shroud and splash-free skirt minimize overspray, keeping you safe and dry while you clean. Superior clean. Eliminates streaks by keeping the nozzles at a fixed height from the cleaning surface, and cleans flat surfaces several times faster than standard spray nozzles. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Universal compatibility. Formulated to work in tandem with your pressure washer, and compatible with most consumer gas and electric power pressure washers. The Karcher Promise cleaner, quicker. Karcher's multi-purpose pressure washer soap is perfect for cleaning concrete, pavement, driveways, patios, decks, sidewalks, RVs, cars, boats, homes, fencing, and more. Highly concentrated. Make up to 20 gallons of detergent from a single gallon of Karcher's multi-purpose concentrate. Eco-friendly, biodegradable formula. Made in the USA. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Powerful cleaning. Dissolves grease, oil and dirt from any washable surface. USDA approved. For use at food service facilities. A1, A4, A8. Biodegradable formula. No harsh solvents and is non-corrosive. Ultra concentrated. Use for cleaning floors, walls, driveways, grills, exhausts, patios, outdoor furniture, tile, boats, automotive wheels, laundry pre-wash, parts cleaning, tools and carpet stains. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Powerful cleaning. Dissolves grease, oil and dirt from any washable surface. USDA approved. For use at food service facilities. A1, A4, A8. Biodegradable formula. No harsh solvents and is non-corrosive. Ultra concentrated. Use for cleaning floors, walls, driveways, grills, exhausts, patios, outdoor furniture, tile, boats, automotive wheels, laundry pre-wash, parts cleaning, tools and carpet stains. See more product details.